We at studioars believe in efficiency and productivity. These principles are the starting point of our long-term experience in implementing software solutions for the design of infrastructure. We have been developing Urbano for more than 25 years, a modern and comprehensive software collection for the detailed design of pipe infrastructure. Urbano is based on Autodesk technology, satisfies BIM requirements, and implements GIS functions. Urbano software automatically updates all views of the design system. All program parts have customizable configurations. A high-grade module for the intersection analysis of pipe system elements is included. The program also allows the fast drawing of long sections for any part of the network. Urbano includes a lot of options for two-way communication with other software. With Urbano, you can design pipe network systems that are hundreds of kilometers long. All pipe systems can be analyzed for intersections and overlays with parcel systems. With Urbano Hydra, you can design water supply networks. You can input, review, and label all necessary data and create hydraulic calculations and modeling based on EPANET. You can automatically determine and optimize pipe sizes. With Urbano Canalis, you can design storm, sanitary, and vacuum sewage networks. You can manage gravitational and pressurized sewage systems, including full hydraulic calculations. With Urbano GasNet, you can design gas pipelines. You can determine arc segments in horizontal and vertical views, using customizable algorithms for arc construction, thus meeting specific requirements for transport pipelines. Our solutions help engineers develop the infrastructure of tomorrow. We implement the Urbano software collections in more than 10 language versions worldwide. studioars Urbano, the foundation of successful design.